Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day. You can hear the birds singing. Off on my way to work. Actually, just going to pick up the cement mixer, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that today. A little tip for someone, especially if you're working in London and you haven't got a van or anything, this might be helpful. But this is what I'll be using today. I'll be using the Zip van. These are really helpful sometimes to use. Basically, it's just a van parked on the street. There's loads of them around the area at London, and I pay £10 an hour to hire them for short term, which I can do basically at any notice using an app. So I've just booked this for 2 hours because my van is packed with stuff, so there's not much space in there for the mixer. So I'll use this. It's just down my road. I'll go and pick up the mixer, drop it off, bring it back, then take my van and go to work. So that's what we're doing now. So just gonna pick up the mixer. So I'll see you on the other side. So this is our new van, Wish. But basically, yeah, I use the app, press the button on the app, and you can open the van. And then the keys are in here, which you can get out once you've unlocked it. And then you get your free petrol, I think up to 60 miles, free congestion charge, ULEZ and all that stuff. You haven't got to pay any of that. So it works out quite good, especially if you're making a quick trip into central London, as you haven't got to pay congestion charge and you haven't got to pay petrol. So for £10 an hour, you can hire it for, I think, just an hour. So it's quite a good, helpful thing that I use once in a while. So that's it. So I'm off now. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Take care. And I saw our neighborhood local London fox taking a stroll. So now we're on site, we're all set up, mixer set up. What we're about to do now is to set our levels for the concrete. So what we do is we put some wooden stakes in the ground and we make sure they're all leveled, and that will be our gauge for where the top of our foundation will be. All we do is we just ram these down into the soil and we stick a level between them, and that's how we get our level. So we just do that now, and then once we've done that, then we can start pouring the concrete. So that's it for today, guys. We managed to get our footing poured. As you can see, we worked really hard on this, and so everybody's gonna have the rest of the day off. So I think we did it about 3 hours, and we just worked straight through non-stop just to get it all done in one go, and it's come out quite good. So now we can start moving on the project. As you can see, we've poured one section. This section here is going to have a steel which will be go inside the original foundation, and it will sit on this here with a column and be bolted down and then encased in concrete. So that's the next part of concreting for us. But otherwise, we're done for now, and we shall be back. So hope you guys enjoyed the progress today, and we'll catch up with you on the next video. Take care.